Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Cheruba and this is a 40-day program called Journey to the Hilltop. What is this hilltop that we're journeying to? This hilltop is something that you're going to set for yourself. It's basically going to be some goal that you're going to set for yourself, and we are going to journey together until you achieve it. It's not some coincidence that I'm starting this 40-day program today. It happens to be Lent, and in the Christian calendar, Christians do observe 40 days of penitence, and most often the moment you say Lent, people remember fasting. But according to the real text, if you look at it, Lent does not necessarily mean just avoiding food. It could mean so many things. And you may have seen Facebook posts which says, fast from bitterness, fast from this, fast from that. But it's all easy said than done. Therefore, I thought, why not help you with a step-by-step guide for you to achieve what you actually set out to do. So my goal is for self-improvement, and I do have some specific points. I'm not talking about it here, but you may too have some goals. It could be something that you're dealing with now. Maybe you're going through some relationship problems. Maybe you are wondering what you want to do with your career. Maybe you're not understanding what is the way of God in your life. You're confused about something. It could be anything, just whatever it may be that you're dealing with. If you are willing to take this 40-day journey with me, I would love to encourage you and tell you that definitely we will get somewhere. I don't want to say I guarantee you that you're going to achieve your goal, because some of these emotional goals don't really work that way. They are not packaged in 40 days. But I do believe that when we come to God and we come in faith, and when we really focus on the problem that we are facing with a genuine heart of repentance, definitely things work for us. So to start with, like any other Lenten program, I am going to encourage all of you to pray. Now, if you're not a Christian and you're wondering, I'm saying pray. Prayer is common for everybody. God is our Father, He is in heaven, and it does not matter. I'm just saying, look to God in prayer. I'm keeping it as general as that. So don't be discouraged. Please feel free to join us in this journey of prayer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to spend as much time as possible in prayer during Lent, putting down some of my goals. So I'm going to pray for my goals, and of course we're going to act on our goals too, right? All of you must be wondering, we're not just going to be praying. We're going to do something each day as I'm led to share with you. I will share what else we will do besides, just praying. But fundamentally, this is going to be a 40-day journey of prayer. I have 3 points. One, as I told you, I already have a personal struggle. But the second point that we are going to put down, all of us, so one will be your own personal goal. But the second point that I want to encourage you to pray or put down is something for your friends. I personally have 2 friends who are going through cancer and 2 friends who are going through divorce. These are very difficult times for them, and I know that even these things have troubled me very much in the recent past, and it's also added to my stress. So I am going to actually put down some prayer points for my friends. So say I am going to put down 10 points for 10 different friends. It could also include your family members. There could be some struggle that your family members are going through. So please feel free to put down some prayer points for your family members and friends too. So one, we are going to put down a prayer point which is going to be your goal or something that you're struggling with. It could be an addiction, it could be a relationship problem, it could be your job, it could be that you're feeling lost and depressed, it could be anything. Just feel free to write down your personal point. Second, do write down a prayer point for your friends, friends, whatever it may be. The third thing that I want to do personally, which bothers me a lot, is what happens around me, something which I don't have control over. For example, what's happening in the nation. There's a lot of hatred. There are people who are being vindicted. There's just so much of hurt and pain around, and we feel so helpless. Sometimes we get into arguments, discussions, nothing really helps. So I have written down a prayer point for the nation. I'm saying, I'm just going to ask God to bring peace to our nation and to help people. Specific things that I want to put down, I'm not mentioning it here, but whatever bothers you about this nation, you could put that down and pray for that too. So there are three things that we are going to do in terms of prayer. We are going to pray for yourself, you're going to pray for a friend, and you're going to pray for a larger community. How are we going to do this? There's a lot of prayer that has to be done. How I'd like to do this is distribute it through the day. So I'll encourage you to pray 3 times a day. Now that seems like a lot, right? Yeah, I am taking inspiration from our Muslim brothers and sisters. They do this meticulously, but don't get pressured by it. This is just a guide. You know, unless you have a plan, you're never going to do it. So let's say, how about we start with 10 minutes of prayer in the morning? We can start with 10 minutes of prayer for yourself. So whatever be your goal, break it down. I will help you also how to break it down and how to pray easy. So 10 minutes of prayer for yourself in the morning. Okay, 10 minutes of prayer for your friends in the afternoon. Now, this is a tricky one. You may be working and you may wonder how you're going to take 10 minutes off to pray. But if you really put your heart to it, trust me, you can do it. I have done this several times. Take 10 minutes off your lunch break and just walk around instead of chit-chatting with people. You can walk and pray quietly in your heart for your friends. So what I thought I would do is write names of 10 friends, and including family, I suppose, and pray for one thing for each of them. Right? I give the choice to you. It could be 5 people, 3 people, and pray for 10 minutes. Ensure that you pray for 10 minutes so that we have a discipline and we have a plan. Now, this is not some kind of you have to do it this way. It has to be 10 minutes. Only if you do 10 minutes, God will listen to you. No. If you can pray more, pray more. If you can't pray, this is just a starter kit. So if you're somebody who prays a lot, please feel free to pray a lot more. Okay? And then in the night, when you're going to sleep, you can pray for the larger community. Pray for peace. Pray for whatever bothers you. Right? So this is going to be our first and fundamental task for 40 days. And everything else that we're going to do, I'm going to take you through day by day. Don't worry, the following videos, the daily videos will be all of 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's not going to be longer than that. I'll also send you images perhaps so that it's easy for you to keep it on the phone and remind yourself what you're supposed to do for the day. I'm really excited about this journey. For me, this is a personal journey and I'm looking forward to get up that hill. And I hope and I'm quite confident that you're going to be able to do that too. If you're hurting, if you're confused, if whatever you may be going through, friend, we are here together and we will do this together. I'm excited and let's get started.